Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Long-Awaited Feelings or Feelings Can't Wait, chapter 161. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Jian. Right now, she was going on variety show. Before Akshu and I met in Lingshu, the progress bar was still at 80%, and after I came back from Yanshu, the progress bar between us quickly increased by 10%. Well, it seems that. What are the rules of this progress bar? Jian said to herself. Now she was thinking about what happened last time when the two of them are kissing and hugging and giving an extra points. Well, she was right about that. For her, no matter what, this book represents all of my efforts and changes. Well, at least right now, she knows how to distinguish these feelings, and also she seems to be happy, discovering something more. Akshu saw it all. Well, for her, she got really shy about this. Keep it in mind that she can always see her smiling like that. The back and forth between us. It's not my wishful thinking. Well, agreeable. On her mind, she was really happy seeing the flashback together with Akshu. It's belong to Akshu and me. Well, it seems that the world has been created only for the two of them. When that night happened, well, definitely she was like in heaven. They really love each other. Yuyan, we're going to record the variety show. Yan Yushan. Later, please take a look at the progress script first, her manager said to her, since she was still on the plane and they're not arriving yet. All she can do is to review. The team behind the lead actor is the legend of Hauya, also sent us. CV announcement invitation. Well, it seems that for her, she was going to refuse about this. What do you think? But will they take advantage of your popularity on your public platforms later? It's hard to say. Pay some attention to yourself, her manager said to her. Well, I get it. I'll pay attention to it. Jian, it seems that she's been alerted, but look at her. When suddenly she got arrived on the variety show. Now it was going to tape. Okay, it's time for the game. Well, the MC said, but Jian, she seems to be surprised, probably seeing a lot of people. The gameplay is very simple. Our game requires live voice change on the phone. So, what do you think? Who is the one who's calling her? Well, definitely, we can really wait to see if it's really actual or something else. You need to connect with a friend in the circle, and after the other party recognize your voice, guide the other person to says, remember to watch The Legend of Hawa. Well, the MC said to them, well, this game, it seems to be getting interesting. Look at Yuyan, seeing how confident Teacher Chi is. How about Teacher Chi? Try it first. Now, Jian said, huh? She was not sure about this. What do you think? Who is the person she's been calling to? Well, we can really wait to see that. So, which friend does Teacher Chi plan to connect with? Well, everyone was calling her Jingshu, Jingshu, Jingshu. Well, everyone is rooting for Akshu. Probably they really know that the two of them are being together, but now, let's see. Everyone is calling out Teacher Ching. What do you think, Yuyan? Well, Jian said, sure. Then, let's take a Teacher Ching. So, she was decided she want to call Akshu at this moment. We can really wait to see how Akshu will going to react on this. Well, Beef, the phone is ringing, and on the other side, it said hello, but Jian, she was still not answering. Well, could it be that she wanted to tease her so much by doing this? Well, we can really wait to see. Guess who I am? Jian said to Akshu. The other side has been speechless. Well, we know to ourselves that Akshu will really notice that it was her, but at this moment, she seems to be getting silent until, look at her, she was blushing. Words, are you recording the show? Now, Akshu suddenly caught her. We know to ourselves that she can tell that, well, it seems that she will feel embarrassed by this. Well, let's see. What happened? It is only been less than 10 seconds. Teacher Jing recognized right away. This tone is too gentle. The name he called in private was Yan Yan. Well, she was right about this, and it seems that Jian, she was really in trouble. All the person in the show can really knows what the two of them calling for endearment. No, you guessed wrong. Guess again. Are you playing games? Akshu said to her. Now it makes sense. Surely can deny it on everyone in front of the show. Or did you receive some strange mission? Well, all she can do is to admit, but right now it seems that she was enjoying teasing Akshu. Well, it must be trouble if the people knows that they're together, right? But Jian said, how did you hear it? Well, it seems that Akshu has been informed, or probably she asked someone to always look out for her. Well, this thing, it's really getting interesting. We can really wait to see what will she react about this. Now, Akshu said to her, I just know it, so he knows that she'll send someone to always keep an eye on her. Well, this will interesting, right? Although at this moment, it seems to be she's going to be get caught. Well, Jian, she was blushing. All the fans has been screaming. Well, we can really see a good safety on this too. Let's see on what's gonna happen next. The things are, they're really getting interesting. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership, or you can directly support me by Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye.